Ever wondered what are the top 10 things to do in Hawaii? Well, you're not alone. Hawaii is a treasure trove of experiences, brimming with stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and a host of activities that promise to take your breath away. From exploring awe-inspiring landscapes to diving into the island's rich history, there's something for everyone. So, if you're ready to embark on this tropical adventure and discover the best Hawaii has to offer, stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 things to do in Hawaii. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have visiting Waikiki Beach. Waikiki Beach is not just a beach, it's a phenomenon. Renowned as one of the most popular beach destinations on the planet, it's a place that truly embodies the spirit of aloha. Picture this, a 2-mile stretch of white sand coast, fringed by palm trees and high-rise hotels, with the iconic Diamond Head crater standing guard in the distance. It's a postcard-perfect scene that attracts millions of sunseekers each year. But Waikiki offers more than just a pretty landscape. It's a hub of activity where you can learn to ride the waves in the birthplace of modern surfing, bask in the Hawaiian sun, or even embark on a shopping spree in its world-class boutiques. So whether you're a seasoned surfer, a sun worshipper, or a shopaholic, Waikiki Beach has something for everyone. Waikiki Beach, a must-visit in Hawaii. At number 9, we recommend exploring Volcanoes National Park. A uniquely thrilling experience awaits anyone who dares to venture into this fiery landscape. Imagine standing on the edge of an active volcano, feeling the warmth radiating from the earth beneath your feet and witnessing the spectacle of nature's power firsthand. But it's not just about the volcanoes. The park is also home to a fascinating network of lava tubes. Walking through these vast subterranean passages, you'll get a first-hand look at the geological forces that have shaped and continue to shape the Hawaiian Islands. And while you're there, don't miss the chance to learn about the island's geology from the park's knowledgeable guides. They can provide insights into the volcanic activity and the role it plays in creating this paradise in the Pacific. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a geology buff, Volcanoes National Park offers something for everyone. A trip to Volcanoes National Park is truly a fiery adventure. Coming in at number 8 is diving in Hanauma Bay. Nestled within a volcanic crater, Hanauma Bay serves as the jewel in the crown of Hawaii's marine offerings. This marine embayment, formed by nature's own hand, is home to an enchanting coral reef that dances with the rhythm of the Pacific. As you dive deeper, the underwater world unravels itself in a vibrant display of colors, textures, and shapes. The reef, a living mosaic of coral species, provides a bustling habitat for a diverse range of marine life. From the playful antics of the Hawaiian green sea turtle to the darting movements of the humuhumunukunukuapua'a, Hawaii's state fish, each dive is an adventure into the unknown. And it's not just about the marine life. The bay's clear waters and placid conditions make for an ideal diving environment, whether you're an experienced diver or taking your first plunge. So, pack your gear and prepare to immerse yourself in this underwater wonderland. Hanauma Bay, a diver's paradise. Number 7 on our list is to attend a traditional Hawaiian luau. A luau isn't just a party, it's a captivating journey into the heart of Polynesian culture. Picture yourself under a starlit sky, the scent of tropical flowers filling the air, as you're swept away by the rhythm of traditional Hawaiian music. The highlight of the evening is the riveting hula dance, a graceful storytelling art form that's been passed down through generations. Dancers swaying to the music, their movements telling tales of gods, legends, and the beauty of the islands. And let's not forget the food. A luau is a feast like no other. Delight your taste buds with kalua pig, a traditional dish cooked in an underground oven, or taste the sweet tanginess of lomi lomi salmon. Sip on a refreshing Mai Tai as you enjoy the vibrant flavors of Hawaii. A luau, a feast of culture and tradition. It's an experience that's sure to leave you with lasting memories of your Hawaiian adventure. At number 6, we suggest hiking the Pali coast. This isn't just any ordinary trek, it's a heart-pounding adventure that rewards you with some of the most breathtaking views you'll ever witness. The Pali coast stretches over 17 miles along Kauai's north shore, boasting dramatic cliffs, verdant valleys, and cascading waterfalls. The trail is challenging, no doubt. There are steep inclines and declines that will test your stamina, but the vistas you'll witness are well worth the effort. As you traverse the rugged terrain, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the shimmering Pacific Ocean, interspersed with glimpses of secluded beaches and untouched wilderness. And let's not forget the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you reach the end of the trail. There's something incredibly satisfying about conquering the Nepali coast, standing at the edge of the world, and drinking in the majesty of nature's masterpiece. The Nepali coast, a hiker's dream. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have visiting the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. This sacred site holds a significant place in world history, marking the event that propelled the United States into the Second World War. The memorial, located on Oahu, commemorates the lives lost during the surprise military strike by the Imperial Japanese Navy Air Service on the morning of December 7, 1941. Visiting the memorial is not just about understanding the historical context, but also about paying respects to the more than 2,400 Americans who lost their lives that day. You can explore the USS Arizona Memorial, the USS Utah Memorial, and the USS Oklahoma Memorial, each telling a different part of the story. A visit to the Pearl Harbor National Memorial provides a poignant and moving experience, reminding us of the cost of war and the value of peace. The Pearl Harbor National Memorial, a poignant reminder of history. At number 4, we propose surfing on the North Shore. The North Shore of Oahu isn't just a spot on a map. It's a world-renowned destination, pulsating with the vibrant rhythm of a culture deeply rooted in the art of surfing. This 7-mile stretch of coastline is a playground for surfers, offering some of the planet's most thrilling waves and surf conditions. The winter months, from November to February, transform the North Shore into a surfer's paradise, with towering waves that draw thrill-seekers from around the globe. But it's not just about the waves. It's about the spirit of the place. Surfing here is a way of life, a spiritual journey, and a connection to the elemental forces of the ocean. The locals, with their laid-back lifestyle and their deep respect for the ocean, add to the allure of this surfing haven. So grab your board, paddle out, and ride the waves of the North Shore. The North Shore, a surfer's haven. Coming in at number 3 is exploring the road to Hana. This is no ordinary road trip, my friends. Imagine a winding drive through lush rainforests, past cascading waterfalls, all while being serenaded by the soundtrack of the ocean's waves. You're picturing the road to Hana. Hugging the coastline of Maui's eastern shore, this road trip is a feast for the senses. It's a journey through a vibrant tapestry of green, punctuated by the vivid blues of the ocean and sky. And let's not forget the waterfalls. They're everywhere, tumbling from great heights, hidden in the depths of the rainforest, waiting for you to discover them. Then there are the beaches. From black sand beaches that tell tales of Hawaii's volcanic past to secluded coves perfect for a picnic, each one is a world unto itself. The road to Hana, an unforgettable journey. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is a visit to the Iolani Palace. Now this is no ordinary palace, folks. This is the only royal palace on US soil, a testament to Hawaii's regal past. Nestled in the heart of Honolulu, Iolani Palace speaks volumes about Hawaii's history and its unique cultural blend. Constructed in the late 19th century, the palace was home to Hawaii's last reigning monarchs, King Kalakaua and Queen Liliuokalani. It's a striking fusion of Italian Renaissance and Hawaiian architectural styles, a symbol of the monarchy's ambition to modernize the islands. Inside, you'll find meticulously restored rooms filled with original artifacts, showcasing the opulence of a bygone era. The throne room, the grand hall, the regal bedrooms, every inch of the palace breathes history and luxury. Outside, the palace grounds are equally enchanting, dotted with historical landmarks, native Hawaiian plants, and tranquil koi ponds. The Iolani Palace, a truly royal treat. And finally, at number 1, the top thing to do in Hawaii is snorkeling in Molokini Crater. Imagine this. You're floating in the crystal-clear waters of a submerged volcanic crater, surrounded by a vibrant array of marine life. It's not a dream, it's Molokini Crater. This crescent-shaped, partially submerged volcanic crater creates a natural aquarium, home to more than 250 species of fish. The water here is so clear that you can see up to 150 feet deep, making it one of the best places in the world for snorkeling. As you glide through the warm Pacific waters, the colorful coral and exotic ocean life create a mesmerizing underwater spectacle. From the playful spinner dolphins to the graceful sea turtles, every moment is a new discovery. You'll be hard-pressed to find a snorkeling spot as unique and breathtaking as this anywhere else on the planet. snorkeling in Molokini crater, the ultimate Hawaiian experience. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Hawaii. From the bustling beaches of Waikiki to the ethereal beauty of Volcanoes National Park, the tranquil waters of Hanauma Bay, to the vibrant culture expressed in a luau. Whether you're hiking the Nepali coast, paying your respects at Pearl Harbor, catching waves on the North Shore, journeying on the road to Hana, experiencing history at Iolani Palace, or snorkeling in Molokini crater, each offers a unique slice of paradise. Thank you for joining us on this tropical adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your Hawaiian dreams in the comments. Aloha!